Hey there, I'm Alex, and today we're going to learn how to screen share and fix potential issues while trying to screen share in Google Meet. So without any further ado, we're going to jump straight into our meeting. Here on the bottom right, you can see an arrow that is pointing upwards that says present now. So if you click that, that'll give you three sections. It'll give you Chrome tab, window, and entire screen. So first, Chrome tab. Here, you could select a specific Chrome tab you would like to share. Now, please note that if you'd like to share audio, this is the only way you could share it under Chrome tab. So here, if you'd like to share a YouTube video, a PowerPoint, Google Slides presentation with audio, you'd have to come down here, select that Chrome tab, and hit Share tab audio. If it is not checked, you will not hear the audio, so make sure it is checked. Moving on to window, here you could select a whole window. A Google Chrome window, the whole application will be shared. So not a single tab that you'd have to switch back and forth and back and forth. And here on entire screen, the last option, just as the name says it, whatever you see on your screen, on the entirety of your screen, your participants in your Google meeting will also be able to see it. So we're gonna head back over to window. Here, I'm gonna select my file folder and hit share. It's that simple. Now, whatever I'm doing here on my screen, this file folder, my participants will also be able to see. On the bottom, we have a little prompt that says that Google Meet is sharing the window, and you could simply hide it if you'd like to ignore it. Back on your Google Meet browser, you can see that it says stop presenting. And once you click that, that's all you have to do to stop presenting, to stop screen sharing. It's that simple. Now let's talk about troubleshooting. You're encountering some issues, screen sharing, how do you fix it? So the first thing you'd like to do is head over to the top left of your web browser where you see that little microphone icon. Here, once you click it, you are going to be able to see all the permissions you've given to Google Meet. For example, camera, microphone, notification sounds, and so forth. So make sure that all of these are checked, because if they are not checked, there are certain aspects of it that help screen sharing work properly. And if Google Meet does not have access to certain of these things, it will not be able to screen share. So that could be one fix. Now, another fix could be your web browser itself. It could be out of date. Now, for Google Chrome, on the top right, here on the dot, it would normally have a horizontal message that looks just like this, and it would tell you to update it. So once you update it, that could be another fix that will help you. It could also be the fact that your system itself, your computer, needs an update. To do so, you're gonna head over into your system settings, and here you can see that a software update is available. So I better update that to make sure that my screen sharing is working properly. And last but not least, you want to make sure that your internet connection is good. So whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular network, you want to make sure that it is nice, connected, and strong. And to make sure that all is good, you could open a new tab and search for internet speed test. Here, you're going to see a blue button that says run speed test. If your download speeds are hitting over 80 in the 200s like I'm hitting, you're most likely good to go with a strong internet connection. And if your uploads are hitting over 20, most likely a lot more, because right now I'm in my basement, you are also very good to go. As you guys can see, the connection is very fast. And so that's a simple way of screen sharing on Google Meet and also troubleshooting issues that you may encounter. These are common things that most of us users can face, and all of these fixes have worked for me personally in the past. Now, maybe your meeting is going super good, you're screen sharing, and you're like, I'd like to record my meeting, but I don't know how to. I'd like to have notes, a transcript of my meeting. I've been using Blue Dot right over here. It's super simple. Once you download the extension from the Chrome Web Store, all you have to do is click Start Capture. And in one simple click, it starts recording your meeting notes and your recording. So start using Blue Dot today. The link can be found down in the description. Available in more than 17 languages. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.